first one here. Whoops.
Why?
I just know. I don't know why I know. I just. This is so complicated.
You couldn't do this?
Do you think you could?
Well, you just pull that,
You just throw
turn
coal
that,
in?
throw some coal in there, and move that. No, I couldn't do it. What's back here? Oh, this is where the coal would be. And look, they even have a plastic chair for
I want to be a train.
someone to sit in.
I don't want to ride. I don't want to run the train.
I want to be a train passenger. I don't want to be a conductor.
I want to be a conductor.
You're a token kid today.
I'm gonna shovel faster. Our train is.
Hurry up,
stopping.
dude. We're slowing down. Hurry up, faster.
How do you
Faster.
know?
Cuz we got to go faster. Quicker. This is good. Let's do this for the next couple hours. There you go. Dude, some of the coal's coming out of the train, dude. All right.
All right, good. Stop.
Let me see how dirty your hands are now. Do you have coal dust all over them?
Nope. It's just.
Just foam.
Oh, foam coal.
I'm waiting for a train. All right, he's gonna toss the coal. I'm gonna wait for the train. Come on. That one's cool.
Yeah, that's cool.